weather.
Say it again.
Nobody wants to be out in this weather. It's too hot. Right, Davis?
Yeah.
So let's go do Kumon.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. You're not ticklish anymore. Are you not? Oh no! All right, I'll just go take a nap. You're a little troublemaker. T that rhymes with P and that stands for pool. Grandpa's calling you. He wants to ask you something. He probably wants you to walk in your bare feet up to the hot, hot park because you've been so pesty. Well, poor old Grandma does not want to be videotaped. You're making a movie with poor old Grandma as the star.